the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. See my girls be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish, 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 A, Cherish, 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 A. Ain't no stopping when you poppin', and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm just gonna show y'all how I did this look, all this, and how I did my little drawstring ponytail. But first, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, so I'm going to show y'all how I do this little looky look, and stay tuned. Okay, lovely. So I'm going to come through with the Maybelline Fit Me. It's the shade 388, Spicy Brown, and it is matte poreless, normal to oily. Yes, y'all know my skin is dry, so I need some oily, okay? And I'm just gonna blend it all together. So as y'all know, it's hard for me to find my color because I'm like 3-4 different colors. So I just tried this new makeup. I usually use Stay Naked, but I wanted to try this one, and I like the way it comes on. Like, it's really blended. Okay. Yes, sis. This is it. This is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna come through with my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Okay, I'm just gonna blend it in, and your girl be trying to cover up them dark spots. If y'all know anything that'll help, comment below, cause I need it. Anyways, I'm gonna bake. Let it sit for a little bit and bake. So I'm gonna use this Makeup Obsession Pure Bake. They have different ones, but I chose this one, and I love it. So I actually put a little too much, but it's nothing but a quick fix. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit, and don't mind my craziness. So now I'm going to blend it in. Blend it, kind of dust it all off. Okay, she coming together. Okay, so now I'm going to come through with the Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray. This spray is really good. Alright, so now I have the bronzer. This is going to really give me a glow. Oh, maybe not. I'm going to try a different bronzer. So this is the Mega Honey. It's by Makeup Obsession 2. And it's a lighter look, so hopefully it makes me glow the way I want it to be. And I can't even get it open. Oh, sis, y'all see that color? Yes. Love the way it smooths on like that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend it all in and put a little on my nose. So I can tell y'all right now that I'm loving this new makeup. Yes. So now I'm gonna come through and put some more stuff to make me glow, y'all. I like this eyeshadow. It makes me pop. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it in, and it's kind of messy, so I'm just gonna clean it up, make sure it's all good. Ooh, Do y'all see the glow though? Other than the messiness, do y'all see the glow though? Okay, so now I'm gonna come through with a darker shade of palette, and I'm gonna try to blend it in as much as possible. Alright, so now I'm gonna use this lip gloss. Yes, it's gonna add some more glow, because I'm glowing, y'all. And I'm just gonna make sure it's all smoothed out because it has a lot of gold in it. And I'm not really liking it. So I'm gonna just smooth it. Okay, so don't judge me. This is ass backwards. Usually I put the liner on first, but I wasn't liking how it was just looking so plain, so I just added some liner, okay? And now I'm just gonna smooth it all in so it could be like a darker shade, because I wasn't really feeling the light shade. Now this is Plump Me. It's from Victoria's Secret. It really makes my lips pop. It kind of tingles a little bit too. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put it over. And yes, do y'all see the results though? Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna come through with the Ardrell 3D Fox Minx eyelashes, and y'all know I don't really put eyelashes on camera because I never could do it, but I'm gonna try today. So they look a little too long, so I just feel like I'm gonna have to cut them. They look way too long for my little eyes. Okay, so never again. Do y'all see that? Like, poorly done. Never again. Anyways, I'm about to cut all that off. And you ain't even gonna see all that. So now I'm gonna put some duo eyelash glue on there. That's really all I use. I feel like this one is a little bit too old, but we'll see. We gonna see. Got a little glue on my eye. I always had a problem with these damn corners. Like, why? That is so irritating. They don't never want to stay down. They're still cute though. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my little cheap little $15 ponytail, and we're gonna put it on my little drawstring ponytail. So I'm just gonna use some gel. I'm not gonna use any edge control. And I'm being super lazy right now. There's a better way to do this method, but I'm being super lazy. It's still gonna be cute though. So now I'm just gonna slick my hair into the ponytail and make sure it's smoothed out. So first I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna slick the top and put it into another ponytail. So now I'm going to do it in layers and kind of brush my hair towards the front so I could get a little swoop. And I'm going to continue to do the same thing on each layer before my hair starts to curl. Now I'm gonna come through with the toothbrush. Yes, it's a toothbrush. Don't come for me. I love using toothbrushes. It's a hair toothbrush. So now I'm just gonna put my hair in a little bun, make sure it's small as possible so I don't have like a lump. And then I'm gonna put my ponytail holder on, and then I'm gonna put my ponytail. So I'm gonna pull as tight as I can and then wrap it around. You can use a bobby pin, but I didn't even use one because I didn't need to. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.